In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Adobe Creative Cloud. If you've ever opened an Adobe app and noticed the interface isn't in your preferred language, this quick walkthrough will help you set things right. We'll adjust your language directly from your Adobe account so the Creative Cloud interface and future app installations use the language you want. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to adobe.com. You can do this on any device with internet access. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the site. You'll see the profile icon, usually a small avatar or circle. Click that icon to open your account menu. This is where Adobe gathers account-related controls, and it's the doorway to the settings we need. From the menu that appears, choose Preferences. Preferences is the central hub for account-wide options, and it's where Adobe lets you manage things like regional settings and language. Opening this page gives you a clean, focused list of choices without having to dig through individual app menus. On the Preferences page, find the Language section. Click the Language selector and choose the language you want to use. You may see region-specific variations like English, International, or Spanish, Latin America. Pick the version that best matches your location or spelling and formatting preferences. This setting helps standardize the display language of the Creative Cloud interface, and it also sets the default language for new app installations and updates going forward. Once you've made your selection, click Done. That saves your changes right away. In many cases, you'll notice the interface reflect your choice quite quickly. If it doesn't switch instantly, don't worry. Sometimes it takes a moment for settings to sync across services. The change will apply to the Creative Cloud experience and will guide how apps install in the future. Some existing apps may need to be relaunched to show the new interface language, and occasionally an update may be required if the language pack needs to be downloaded. To recap the flow you'll follow, go to adobe.com, open the profile menu at the top right, head into Preferences, choose your preferred language, and confirm by clicking Done. It's a straightforward adjustment that keeps your workspace consistent, especially if you move between devices or collaborate across regions.